Good morning from the sunny streets of Sri Harmandir Sahib. We are very close to the Golden Temple. We're going to go in today and do a Matha Teka today. Join me. Don't crack a stupid jokes, man. So, headscarf on. अब हम चल रहे हैं towards the entrance of Sri Harmandir Sahib Golden Temple. 3 hours का शायद क्यू है, ऐसा लोग बोल रहे हैं. चलो देखते हैं कब मौका मिलता है. I'm behind you, me. Let me know if you want me to angle the camera. क्या ही नहीं कौन भाई 1 घंटा हुआ.
Yes.
ये क्या कर ये मत करो. 1 घंटा हुआ.
More 2 hours to go.
2 hours to go.
Little tired, but होश है तो जोश है.
अरे वाह, बढ़िया बोला.
करके रहेंगे.
गर्मी तो बहुत है, धूप बहुत है, डिहाइड्रेट हुआ. बट यहाँ पे जो बच्चे लोग पानी दे रहे हैं बहुत सही कर रहे हैं काम.
पानी अमृत जैसे लग रहा है.
और वो भी तो एकदम अलग स्टॉइक मूड में चला गया है. बहुत फोकस्ड है वो. चलो देखते हैं, थोड़ा टाइम और रुकते हैं.
2 hours more to go.
2 hours more to go.
फाइनली भी दिल को ठंडक पाएगी. ठंडक लेके रहेंगे.
100%.
वाहेगुरु जी खालसा, वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह. पानी नहीं है. How many hours to go? I think still 2 hours to go.
1 hour.
No, still 2 hours.
It has been 2.5 hours.
Very difficult. Keep on trying.
हाँ, देखते हैं. 1 घंटा तो मेरे हिसाब से परिवार के साथ 2 घंटा. देखते हैं कौन सही होता है.
जो स्पीड से जा रहे हैं मेरे को तो
1 घंटा. So finally we have done it. Waited for 4 hours for darshan but got it. I think it was one of my life's goals to come here, and I would really thank him for bringing me over here. All's well that ends well. Nice darshan. We are in a good, happy place. Bear ka jhaad. Temple behind me. Finally. So the partition museum is done. It's just 10 rupees an entry. Very cheap to enter. 2 floors, and as you can see from my expression, my voice, it's not a pleasant museum to go to. It's got a lot of tragedy, trauma of pre-independence and partition, but it's a part of history that's unfortunate, but it happened, and I think they've done a good job at preserving it. तो अगर आप लोग अमृतसर आ रहे हैं तो एक बार आप म्यूज़ियम डेफिनेटली देखिए. ये भारतवर्ष का इतिहास का हिस्सा है, नए इतिहास का हिस्सा, क्वाइट न्यू हिस्ट्री, बट या it's shaking me here quite a lot. Azomi is having a dahi balla chat. I'm gonna have the same puri and some lime soda. Still dehydrated, man. Good morning from our last day in Amritsar. कल हम जालियनवाला बाग कर नहीं पाए, but we'll do it today. But yeah, we'll do it today. But first we're going to a Shani temple, which we saw over here. Right across the Golden Temple is a Shani Mandir. So first, let's go and get some blessings from Shani Dev. It's Shanivar anyways, it's Saturday. So pehle Mandir, and then we'll just check a slice of history. This is very surreal. I can't believe I put Jallianwala Bagh on my Google Maps. It's the 200-meter walk from here. This is old Amritsar, so a lot of history happened in these places. And I think this is going to be a very somber moment for me because मैं एक इतिहास का स्टूडेंट हूँ, हिस्ट्री का स्टूडेंट हूँ, और जालियनवाला बाग के बारे में ऑब्वियसली हम लोग सब ने पढ़ाई की है. We felt the pain. Let's go and see. Done. Within the well.
फिर आप ही तो रोना रोना
This well. Omi, I never thought that Saturday morning we will be strolling in Jallianwala Bagh. Such a very important event in India's struggle for independence against the British. और ये हम लोग ने काफ़ी बार मूवीज़ में देखा है, हमने ऑब्वियसली हिस्ट्री में पढ़ा है, बट यहाँ पे आने के बाद में you feel surreal. I mean, there are no words for it यार.
No, I feel that Amritsar as a city, why is it special to me as and why I told you we make this trip is,
Yeah.
it's a city which has seen a lot of sacrifices. It's a city which has seen too much. We say that every city is special in its own, but yesterday we saw the city of it's like the city which saw the partition.
Yep.
It's seen a massacre. I just had this line in my mind as a writer. वो कुआं भी कितना प्यासा था, वो कुआं भी कितना प्यासा था कि पानी के बजाय खून मांग गया.
The worst part is, अभी भी there is not an official toll कि कितने लोग को मैसेकर किया था यहाँ पे. मतलब एक there is an estimate. It's still not the final figure.
And that's the most beautiful part. See, we talk about a movie which did not even kind of get its, probably it was not that commercial hit or whatever. But the fact is, see, what happens in Filari is, what happens in Diljit has a sort of a cascading effect on Anushka and so on. My point is, whatever count as you say, the people that died, but what about the cascading effect? They were bread earners.
Yep.
They were,
Yeah.
they were women who were expecting. How many kind of husbands must have lost their wives, their unborn children that day when
Yeah.
fire happened.
And for no reason.
Exactly.
That's the worst, for no reason. And the British have never formally apologized. I mean, they've expressed deep regret in 2019, but they've not formally apologized for this incident. And just let me, so there are two things. First thing that we were discussing that was never taught to us in our history textbook was Michael Dwyer, who was the governor of Punjab, जो अभी उद्धम सिंह की मूवी आई विकी कौशल वाली, and he was the governor of Punjab back then, and he gave the explicit orders to go and shoot them. A different person, General Dyer, he gave the orders to, fire. But हमारे history textbook में there is no mention of Udham Singh, who goes back to London to avenge, the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. He goes and kills him, to exact his revenge. I know this is not the prettiest story that should be put, but it should be put. It's a fact.
Every
It
story
happened.
of sacrifice, injustice should be shown
To us, Udham Singh was Indian, and he, for this horrific event, he went back and got his revenge, and it should be put here. I don't know why. We were not taught.
But still, as you mentioned, I'm happy that it's been made well, it's kept well.
Yeah, you've been here before the redevelopment. So
Yeah, and I feel that they've done a lot of changes, like this seating arrangement.
yeah.
This has been changed. This Smarak, I don't understand.
Yeah, there's a Barack over there. Yeah.
It's a great place, and I'm really happy that before leaving Amritsar, we are able to cover everything.
I know, that's true. I mean, this is actually me living a page of the history textbook जो हम लोग बड़े होके आए, and we have read this, and it's for a lack of better words, it's very unsettling.
I truly today feel what Bharat Singh said, that he says that he sees so much around him
Yeah,
that he doesn't feel anything.
it doesn't feel like that.
Absolutely. When you see the people with whom you've grown up, people in your surroundings, in blood, and 120 bodies removed from the well. I don't even think what kind of a mental, kind of a order you would have been brought up into. So no wonder they were revolutionaries. And I feel that we should be talking more about our revolutionaries
Yeah.
than the ones who actually
100%.
who became a part of the political bureaucracy
Yeah.
in India.
Yeah. I think that's the best way to end this particular small conversation. So, sit in silence for 2 minutes. Move on. That's more bullet marks over there. This tree has seen it all. Seen everything unfold. Gullies of Amritsar.
मैन्युफैक्चरिंग लाइन में हम लोग कड़ा और तिरपान खुद बनाते हैं और 3 इंच से लेकर 3 फुट तक वी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम 200 रुपीज़। चाहे 3 इंच की किरपान ले लो, चाहे 3 फुट की तलवार ले लो, हम लोग 200 रुपये से शुरू करते हैं। टेम्पर कमाने में बढ़िया रहेगी मेरे पास आइटम सब है। ये कार्बन स्टील की मतलब वही नहीं टोटली मेरे पास और उमदा पीस है, उमदा पीस। इसके बीच में आप कभी ट्रैकिंग पे जाते हो, ध्यान से बेटा, ध्यान से, ध्यान से, ध्यान से। आप कभी ट्रैकिंग पे जाते हो, ये चीज़ें ऑफिसर गुरखा, आपने रेजिमेंट का नाम सुना हो?
Yes.
गुरखा रेजिमेंट में ये गुरखा नाइफ यूज होता है। ट्रैकिंग पे जाते हो, जंगलों में जाते हो ट्रैकिंग करने के लिए, तो ये बेस्ट चीज़ें होती हैं, ओरिजिनल पीसीज।
So we're back, स्ट्रीट्स ऑफ अमृतसर। और पहले कुछ पेट पूजा हो जाए, वो भी आया बंसल स्वीट्स में। देखते हैं यहाँ पे क्या मिलता है। वीगन्स के लिए तो पता नहीं, बट वेजिटेरियंस के लिए तो काफ़ी ऑप्शन है यहाँ पे। उसके बाद फुलकारी शॉपिंग करना है बगल में। It's too loud, I'm gonna go in. So these guys have ordered puri cholle, but this puri is in desi ghee. छोले बहुत मस्त है। इज द ऑफिशियल रिव्यू फ्रॉम फूड ब्लॉगर परिमल। फूड इन्फ्लुएंसर है तो फूड इन्फ्लुएंसर। ओबी, योर कमेंट्स?
I've eaten a lot of chole kulche in Mumbai, in Delhi. What is different about this is
No one can beat.
Is
it's not very spicy.
it's not very spicy. That's the official word. No one can beat Roma. Also in this restaurant, there are only women who work here in the kitchens, in the service area. That's quite a unique thing. You don't get to see that every day. So kudos to the initiative that the owners of Bansal have taken. Dry aloo de parathe for me, butter for this gentleman over here. Dry aloo de paratha. Obi shopping for Fulkari.
मोना ने मेरे को इस तरह भगाया।
Fulkari shopping done. Fulkari shopping is done. Thank you, bhai. All set to leave Amritsar. Hotel aboard in Mumbaikar style. आमची मुंबईमध्ये लोकल स्टाईल. चला. Where are the War Museum? I'm a sucker for museums anyways, तो मेरे लिए तो ये बहुत ही सही है यार। कोई भी म्यूजियम में लेके आओ, आई कैन स्पेंड आवर्स एंड आवर्स। तो ये एक पंजाब स्टेट वॉर हीरोज़ म्यूजियम है। तो लेट्स सी अंदर क्या है। पहले तो टिकट लेते हैं। $150 a ticket over here. So first let's get the tickets. The hell? Oh yeah, this is the hell. Deepak. Gun was captured from Pakistan. बेटा बाप होता है।
Oh my god,
ऐसे गाली दे रहा था पहले और अभी उसकी माँ का बहुत ये जा रहा है
The great That's the largest sword. Wow. It's quite tall. Let me get a better view. So that is the world's largest sword in an installation. बहुत इसी जगह है यार, ये काफ़ी लोग हैं नहीं यहाँ पे एंड काफ़ी सारे वेपन्स हैं यहाँ पे. There is also something inside. So we'll go inside and have a look. Camouflage. Very interesting. Parimal has become a personal photographer. I like it.
बोला है कर रहे हो
This is the Ashoka Chakra and that is Akhanda Bharat.
वो अफगानिस्तान तक चला था
Yes, sir. Did you watch the entire video?
Half the video.
And there's no light over here now.
I have to go back and watch the entire video.
Are you going to adopt Sikhi? Very good. You will be Omkar Shivat Singh. I like it.
My father will believe.
So that was the museum. आप लोग का पता नहीं बट मुझे तो बहुत म्यूजियम्स बहुत पसंद है. वी स्पेंड लॉट ऑफ आवर्स हियर. फिर भी कम लगा मुझे. एंड अमृतसर ऐसे जगह पे है जहाँ पे बहुत हिस्ट्री हुआ है, बहुत सारा डार्क इंसिडेंट्स. एंड अंग्रेज़ी में एक शब्द है क्योंकि मुझे हिंदी में वो शब्द का एग्जैक्ट वर्ड नहीं मिल रहा, बट इंग्लिश में जो वर्ड है उसको बोलते सॉम्बर. फीलिंग वेरी सॉम्बर एंड आई बीन फीलिंग दिस वे सिंस आई गॉट टू अमृतसर. पार्टीशन म्यूज़ियम में गए, जालियनवाला बाग में गए, गोल्डन टेम्पल ऑफ कोर्स, और फिर ये मतलब हाई रिस्पेक्ट to the Indian Army and big salute to them. Without them we would be nothing, really. Their sacrifice, courage and valor are the reason why we sleep safely in the night. Turbulence.
After 8 days on the road, our trip was finally done. Starting from Mumbai to the mountains of Himachal, it was an extremely tough adventure, but it was also very spiritual. I got the answers to many questions that I had, and truly I mean, I was a beach person, I was a water person, and in this trip, I become a mountain person. जब लोग बोलते रहे कि यार पहाड़ बुला रही है, चलो चलता है, वो वाला जो इक्वेशन है, जो एक्सप्रेशन है, finally, I could make sense of what it was. If you watched all my videos, a big thank you. I'm going to make a film as well about this Himachal and Punjab vlog, but for this particular video I'm going to call it the end. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe.